So what's up YouTube, welcome to my channel Complete Tech Review and welcome to another vlog. And today we are going to a place which is called as Mallela Thirtham Waterfalls. It is nearby to Srisalem, around 150 plus kilometers from Hyderabad. So that is something that we are going to do. So let's check out the vlog. So the ride started off and I have to fuel up my Interceptor. Along with me I have again Srinivas, who is on his Dominar 250. So Mallela Thirtham Waterfalls is, I believe it's one of the tallest in Telangana. So that is something which is there, and we are going to that place, filling up, and once we are done we will be heading straight to the waterfalls. Close to 90 kilometers right now we have to still cover. We have already covered I think another 80 plus kilometers, so that's something which is halt for breakfast. ఏజ్ గ్రూప్ పెట్టిండు అక్కడ, ఏజ్ గ్రూప్ పెట్టినారు. అవునవును కనిపిస్తుంది, కరెక్టే. So breakfast break at Sri Sai Balaji Pure Vegetarian Restaurant, and now heading back to waterfalls. There's a break-in period, then the gloves will be a little free. Have to be very careful if you're going on top of that, because there's no railing and it looks to be very slippery. Yep. So at one point this was overflowing and it looked very scenic, but due to the summers it has reduced.
సో మహబూబ్ నగర్ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి వస్తాయి వాటర్, ఇది ఇక్కడ నుంచి శ్రీశైలం పోతాయి.
ఏం లేక్ ఇది? బింది డ్యామా?
ఓకే, డిండి డ్యామ్.
So this is the other side of Dindi Reservoir, and you can see that the channel which collects the overflowing water and it streams it through the side of the I believe the village or downstream. So that's where the water goes. So before heading up to the Mallela Thirtham Waterfalls, you come to this big hilltop, and I think the road goes around it. Basically this is a tiger reservoir, and yeah, so that's what Amrabad Tiger Reserve. Man, the ghat is really amazing.
Camera recording, huh? No.
Amrabad Tiger Reserve visit, Farhabad viewpoint, timings 9 a.m. to 5 p.m, duration 1 hour 30 minutes, fee is 1200 per trip, number of persons maximum 10, private vehicles not allowed. Huh? ఏంటండి అవునా ఇది మల్లెల తీర్థం వెళ్ళొచ్చు రావచ్చా ఎంత దూరం ఇక్కడికి
16 kilometers
16 ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ So what's up YouTube, welcome to my channel, and right now I'm heading down the Mallela Thirtham Waterfalls. So it's close to 300 plus steps we have to get down, and you have seen the entrance, the time lapse, where you can you have to enter this premises by taking a ticket which is 20 bucks. Prior to this, you come 5 kilometers behind, there's a town, there's a small village, and in that village you have to again take one more ticket which is again 20 bucks. So once when you get down 300 odd steps, you're treated to this beautiful waterfall. Let me go closer and show you the beautiful waterfall. Yes, I think monsoon is the right season for this to experience, but again there'll be a lot of people if it's monsoon, and you also have to keep that in mind, because if there are too many people, that also ruins the fun. And right now if you see, there are not as many or as many people as it is. Okay, there's a couple of bikers, but wow, look at the waterfalls. Nice. The water is not that, it looks to be clean over there, but the stagnated water is not that clean. So to go to that place, you need to again climb couple of stairs, come from there and then go there. Yeah, so let's get on. So I was over there, and the steps again you have to climb on top and then come from this side. This has been barricaded, but you can come from the side. And yeah, check out the view. But
So I am in midst of the waterfall. Water is really sweet and really coastal, but really nice. A very nice location, and there's hardly anybody except. And you can as well get inside this, but it depends whether you want to test out how deep it is and what kind of rocks are there.
so that was Mallela Thirtham Waterfall for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do so, please like and subscribe to my channel. This is Kevin signing off, and see you on the next one.